Hi, it's Kozue. I did my nails in this video with Petorin, a peel-off base gel. It's been a week. The nails look perfect. Well, my right thumbnail art lifted the bed on the tip. It doesn't show it's lifted, but if you put a pusher in it, you can see it now. I just wanted to see how deep it lifted, but ended up going deeper and deeper. The pusher went far without much friction. I really like this pusher, by the way. It's a cuticle trimmer from Ducart. You're supposed to remove the gel nail with ethanol or oil, but I just went further and farther and finally took the whole gel off. Of course, I peeled a part of my natural nail like that. Other rough patches are not my nail. They are Petorin, the peel-off gel. I was stupid enough to do the left thumbnail. I thought I would also be able to peel this one without ethanol or oil, but I was very wrong. Everyone, don't do this to your nails, please. I've been taking good care of my nails with oils and hand lotion, but I ruined it today. Later in this video, I'm going to discover a better way. I'm so sorry for my nail. I'll take a much better care of you, I promise. Now I'm gonna use ethanol to remove gel nail. I have to start somewhere by the pusher. I'm spraying ethanol between the gel nail and my nail. It looks like it's going well. I love this pusher. My nail got peeled off a little, but obviously it's much better than the thumbnail. Now I'm gonna use oil, but which one? I'm gonna try nail polish remover from Muji. It's acetone free and it's got natural orange oil in it. It smells really soothing. After lifting the gel nail a little, I use a drop. I used this remover a few times for regular polish, but it gets really oily on my hands and the table. So I've been kind of avoiding using it. So this is kind of like making a good use of unwanted item. And it worked great. The pusher just goes in so smoothly. I was really surprised and happy. When I use it for regular polish, I needed to use a lot of remover. But now, just one drop? Unbelievable. I never thought I would use it for peel-off base gel. I'm not still sure if the Muji remover works well, so of course I have to try other nails too. It went so smooth until here. I had to add one more drop of Muji remover. And just one little push. It gave in so easily. It's so satisfying. It seems like Muji remover melts the peel-off gel. I got some sticky jelly-like residue. I was able to remove the little finger gel nail as well. I was totally not watching the camera work. It came off really easily with 2 drops of Muji remover. If you are sensitive to gel nail, you might want to avoid the contact with the jelly-like residue. I cleaned my nails with ethanol, but it felt still kind of sticky. You shouldn't spread the residue like this when cleaning. So this is another no-no. Petorin, the peel-off base gel, has a friend here. It's called Petorin Hagashi, peel-off gel nail remover. My understanding is that this remover is supposed to be used after peeling of gel nail. Just like now, You can paint the peel-off gel remover on the nail to remove the stickiness. I took off gel nail on the right hand with Muji remover too. It went really well. My natural nails look great. So the left thumbnail was today's victim. I filed the rough patches and it looks fine now. I have to wait for a few months before I wear gel nail on my nails again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!